So friends, after on and paper review, let's go to our main review and main features. So let's start. So that's our device, and you can clearly see. So I have putted our two SIMs here. One is Vodafone and one is BSNL. So let's go to menu, and I will show all the features. So here is the fun zone, where you can send SMS to Ziox and they will send you messages back of the particular things like cricket, jokes and that and that. And here is the games, where you have to pay 50 rupees for each game. So you can see there will be 3 trials, and after that you will be asked to give money. This is the mobile tracker, where you can input the password and then you can track your device, and this is privacy lock, where you can input the password and then your privacy will be saved. This is auto call record, that's very good in a feature phone. So, and this is Ziox search, where internet is required. So that's in the Ziox zone. Here there are my files, and there you can see I have all the files here. So in this zone you will have the files of your device. This is the contact, where all the contacts are saved, and this is the message folder, where all the messages are coming. And so you can see there are also a voicemail server, so you can also, and the templates also, so you can send this also. And these are the call records, all logs, missed call, dialed calls, received and rejected, and you can delete all the records also. There are call timers also, GPRS counter also, and this is multimedia folder, where you can find audio player, so you can see. And this is the camera. So let me show you how the camera looks. So now you can see the quality of the camera. It's not so bad, but it's bad. So let's move down, and here so that's the camera, and this is the video recorder, and this is image viewer, if you have saved an image, video player, and FM radio, Here you can find wireless FM radio. So you can see wireless FM radio, sound recorder, and these are all the stuffs in multimedia folder. Here you can browse internet using this option, and this is the organizer where you can find calendar, alarm, calculator, torchlight, Bluetooth, and world clock, STK. So you can see the calendar look like that, the alarm folder, and you can see calculator look like that. And now this is the torchlight where you find 4 torchlight, you can see here. And let me turn off. This is the Bluetooth, you can see world clock, you can see New York. So all are the stuffs here. And the last folder is setting 1. So here you can find call settings, phone settings, display settings, security settings, profiles, connections. So these are all the stuffs here. This is the final review. So in this review I want to tell that the quality of the mobile is not so good. If there is so much heat on the plastic, not so much, means a little one heat will be touched to it. You can see what are the things gone. And the camera, it is written digital camera here, branding like logo here, and here you can't find anything. So here there is the micro USB port, audio jack, and a microphone, and here is nothing. And you can find 4 touch LED light here. So this is the review of Ziox Thunder Mini mobile.